Josiah, come here. Oh, what are you doing? Are you brushing your teeth? Yeah? How long have you been brushing them? For like 10 minutes? Can I have that? Yeah. Yeah, every time I take it from you, you start crying. Yeah. A little bit? Okay. Well, I guess keep brushing. Keep brushing? What is that? Do I need to move this? Now press it. Alright. Are you all done? Thank you. Oh, no, you're not really done? Okay. Alright, bye-bye. Bye-bye.